Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Because I literally just got them.
Yeah, you're good, man.
So I'm not gonna play like a whole song worth. You know,
I'll play whatever you want to do, man.
That's what I used to drink. If I go to a restaurant, I buy water and fucking get a whole bunch of lemons. I put it in there. That's hydration. Water, ice melt, water.
Heat wave.
Well, we were supposed to be over here selling cups and shirts and stuff, but you know, let it split up. She didn't make it. I got my Suburban. I'm about to say screw it.
One of them fell out. Thank you, man. Yeah, it's getting hot.
Yeah. This is still my first truck, and I'm still doing stuff to it. Yeah.
What's going on, man? Could you tell me your name? What's in here?
Brody, and these are 4 DD 3515s on 1 M8, and then for highs I got the 4 6.5 VO 6.5s. Yep, with the tweeters, and then the tweeters in the doors.
Nice. Did you build a box?
Yeah, on-site did. That's where we were.
Tuning on this.
Well, the box is these were around 40. So that's basically what I do. But right after scraping, it's going to be put into a 4th order. So
you're going to make a 4th order wall right here?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you not happy with it? You want to change it up, band paths?
Yeah, it is.
All right. Did you do any kind of SPL burp test on it?
I haven't yet, no.
Okay. You said not to show the back because they're not one. What is the amps wired to on it?
I think they're wired down to 1 ohm. They're dual 2s, wired down to 1 ohm.
All right.
Yeah.
How much power do you think you're giving them?
The gain's halfway until we get my limitless 80 amp hour lithium. Yep. And after that, then honestly, I wouldn't be able to tell you.
You're good, man.
Yes, sir.
Wow. You did a nice job, though. I like the style you got here,
this
man.
was before this. It was in a C-pillar.
Oh, okay.
I can show you.
I swear them hoes ain't got nothing on it. That nigga Brody ain't got nothing on it. I swear these hoes ain't got nothing on it. twist column, Porsche. Everything I can to protect it. Before you, baby, I fuck up. Night like me, Toya. I want to know you, and I want to push you. Let's have to go to his column, Porsche. Everything I can to protect it. Before you, baby, I fuck up. Night like me, Toya. I want to know you, and I want to push you. Let's have to go to his column, Porsche. Everything I can to protect it. Before you, baby, I fuck up.
Thanks, man. Thanks for the demo.
Yes, sir.
Nice to meet you, man.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. And you said not to show the back because they're not
Yeah.
one. What is the amps wired to on it?
I think they're wired down to 1 ohm. They're dual twos. Wired down to 1 ohm.
All right.
Yeah, sure.
How much power do you think you're giving them?
The gain's halfway until we get my limitless 80 amp hour lithium.
Yep.
And after that, then honestly, I wouldn't be able to tell you.
You're good, man.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate the demo. Nice to meet you again, man.
Thank